Now, in this tutorial, if you're watching this tutorial, you're probably a student in my programming class, in which case you probably, well, you've chosen one of the three threads in our last unit of the year. That unit is application development, and the three threads are Java, Flash, and ActionScript, and you've chosen the PHP one. Now, what I'm going to do in this set of videos is I'm going to show you how to set up a PHP test server on your home computer. Now, you don't need to be intimidated by the name. It's pretty straightforward, relatively simple. There are a few steps. In this first video, I'm going to show you how to download all the software that you need. The next video, I'm going to show you how to install the software. The video after that, I'm going to show you how to configure it. And then the last video, I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to install the pieces of software that we need download the software, how to get it, and we're going to download all into the same folder. Okay, so the four programs that we're going to get are we're going to go get PHP Designer. We're going to get NView, kind of like a Dreamweaver-like program. We're going to get Notepad++, and the big one is we're going to get WinLab 4.00. This is the actual Apache, PHP, and MySQL test server all roll into one neat little package. Okay, let's get started. So, PHP Designer, what we've been using at school throughout. So I'm simply going to do a Google search for PHP Designer Personal. Okay, and when you do that, click on the first link, and that brings you right to the page where you're going to find PHP Personal. Professional edition, you pay a few bucks, you get a few more features. Download the free version, check it out, and if you like it, go for it. So when you save the file, okay, simply save it to the same folder as everything else, and you're going to call that folder something relevant, of course. Now, and that's it. So let's go back to Google, and let's handle the next package. Okay, the next package we're going to download is NView. So I'm going to type in NView download. Then I'm going to explain very briefly what NView is. Okay, first link there, download.com, pretty reliable site. You can get NView right off of there. So what NView is NView is a program similar to Dreamweaver. It's free, it's very light, it doesn't have near as many features as Dreamweaver, but it's a very easy drag and drop way of creating HTML and designing web pages. It's not, it's just pretty good. So same thing, download. It's only 6 megabytes. So download it, and eventually it's going to come up. Let's see, where is it? Okay, there we go. Save file, and once again, you want to save it to the exact same folder that we've been using. That's NView. Now let's go back to Google, and we're going to search for Notepad++. Okay, Notepad++ download, and I'll explain a little bit what Notepad++ is. So here you got to be careful now. We don't want the Microsoft one. All right, this one here, Net++. So this link here, sourceforge.net. Okay, so Notepad++. So this is the website for Notepad++. You got to get around the political ads a little bit. You're looking for binary files, and you want to download Notepad++. Alrighty. You want to download Notepad++ executable files. Let me just check something here in a sec. There we go. Notepad++ executable files. Okay. So we scroll down a bit, and what we want here is there's 3 choices here. We don't want the release text. We don't want this. We want the npp installer.exe. So click on it, and then the download's going to start in just a second. Alright, there we go. Okay, so save the file, take folder. Okay, now go back to the original Notepad++, and what I recommend is you download a plugin for it, a function list plugin. Okay, function list, well, just trust me on it for now. Here we go. PHP is what we want. Also includes Java and what have you. So function list plugin. It's just going to make your life a little bit easier. All right. Now here we go. Now you have a few choices here. You have function list plugin 2.0 alpha. Alpha means that this version 2.0, it's still new and probably has a few bugs in it. What you want to do is you want to download the stable version, the latest stable version, and that's function list plugin version 1.2 final. So you click on this, open it up. Again, you see three choices here. You don't want the source code, you don't want this one, or sorry, you don't want this one either. The text, you want this one, function list 1-_2.dll.zip. Click on it. It's going to ask you to start the download, and same idea, you want to download to the same folder. Alright, so as soon as it starts, we're going to download to the same folder. Okay, so close this off. Let's head back to Google, and let's download the last package, the big one. So we're going to search WinLab download. Now, did you mean WinZip download? Nope, we meant WinLab. It's going to bring you to sourceforge.net, and you can download it straight from here. Okay, so you click on download WinLab, and you have three choices again. So we have WinLab Mini, WinLab Developer. No, we're not involved in the development of this program. WinLab EXE. We want this one here. Okay, so click on it and download it, and what have you. Download this thing. So it's a 60 megabyte download, so it's not huge, but it's okay. Now I got a couple minutes here to talk, so you know, you probably know me by now. If I've got a couple of minutes, I'll use it, right? So here we go. So what WinLab is this program is going to install basically four things at once. It's going to install, well, Linux, basically, Apache. Linux is an operating system similar to, I don't really think it installs Linux, I'm not sure, but it's going to install Apache. Apache is a web server. So my students refer back to near the beginning of the year when we talked all about how a web server works and what it's for. It's going to install PHP, the programming language that we've been using, and it's going to install MySQL. All right, MySQL is a database program, and everything in the web world these days is database. Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, Gmail, eBay, Amazon, YouTube, everything is a database. Not necessarily MySQL, but everything is database. And this is one neat little package which is intended for developers to use it. Okay, so we have all these files downloaded. We're going to start by installing the easy ones: Designer, NView, Notepad++, and then we're going to end by installing WinLab. We're going to do the next video. The video after that, I'm going to show you how to configure it. Basically, the configuration is all about WinLab configuration. And the last video, I'm going to show you how to test your installation. I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay. So this is video number 1. Signing off, and I'll see you guys later. All right. Okay. Bye.